Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to install VLC Media Player in laptop. So without further ado, let's start! First, go to your browser and then search for VLC Media Player. Now select the first one, VLC Media Player. Now tap on Download VLC. Now tap on arrow down button and then select one of these. It will then start the downloading of the VLC. Now close your browser and then you'll see this. Just tap on yes. Now select the language. After that, just click on next. Click on next again. Now click on install. Now tap on finish. And then tap on continue. VLC installation is now complete. That's it. Thank you for watching.